Hello you guys, we're back in some Flood Escape and we're gonna be playing it. So I'm gonna go in. Why won't we in? What's going on? Is there some kind of glitch? Or I am going to go in medium. Medium, let me in. Why won't me in? Okay. Oh, she's wrecked. Look at her, she went hard all by herself. She's wrecked. Right, come on, please. Okay, I don't get why you're gray. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm sorry, I had to yawn. I'm ready. Come on, I knew you would have made it. You trying that again? That's not gonna be easy now. You are bad. Sorry, I'm talking weird. On purpose. Only because I want to make a funny joke, okay? Deal with it! Yeah, How are people making these jumps? Oh my god. How are people making these jumps? How am I still alive? Okay, there we go. The game has a glitch too, obviously. But still, how are people making those jumps? I don't get it. How are people making... Again? Are you kidding me? Just let me through. Come on, let me through! Finally. Okay. I'm gonna push myself's limits. One player needs to escape. Yeah, they're not gonna escape. There's only one. You see this? Do you see this? There's only one left. The game has ended. Okay. Come on, let's get started. I really want to play this game. Just get in. No, 2 people are not going to make it. 3 people are not going to make it. We need 4. No! I'm not going to make it. That's one thing I know for a fact. There's one fact I never knew I was going to say on video. But I have. How do you make these jumps? How did I die out of nowhere? I don't get it. I'm confused. What's going on? I'm confused. What's going on? I'm very confused. Why I can't go in? I'm very confused. I'm really confused. I could just die out of the instant nowhere. Who knew I could die out of nowhere? Who flipping knew? Tell me who knew? Who knew, you guys? Who knew? Girl, no! How are people supposed to make that jump? How are people meant to do that? How? Oh, and by the way, people, I don't show my face much because I don't really want to show my face too much. Sorry, I never show my face. You can't really do anything. Listen, I don't like to show my face. I'm too comfortable showing my face. I don't like my personality. And if you want that really my YouTube account is Paisley8 and my Roblox account is Paisley8. So if you ever wanna play a game like Blood Escape, and then you see a girl named Paisley8 with this outfit, then you know I'm playing with you. So yeah, if you ever want to play with me, there you go. Boys, I'm just wasting my time. People always get it. Why am I just wasting my time trying to help? People don't care. I'm just gonna be the first one up there. I'm competitive, you guys. All people out there, and all kids, all adults, all boys and girls. I'm competitive. I'll go and this. Yeah, no! I thought I was gonna be the last one. Are you kidding me? What just happened? Nobody survived. I'm sorry what just came out of my mouth. I promise it was not a fart. I'll do this thing where I suck on my lip and then it makes the fart sound. I promise I did not fart. If you heard that, I'm sorry. Yeah. I miss flipping games because of it. No, let me in. I will go in easy. Easy works. Why is my game so laggy? You guys, my game is really laggy. No. Hitting me almost there. Oh, sorry, I was talking so quiet. But still, like, what is up, you guys? Do you guys know what's up? I sure don't. Wait, no, not easy. Not darn easy. Easy's easy. I don't like easy things. Get it? Because cheese is cheesy. Okay, sorry. That made no sense. I make no sense. Okay. My game's really laggy, you guys. Why is this thing beeping? Oh my god, I am gonna die. I'm crazy. Oh my god, was it empty room in there? Oh my god! Ow, my voice hurts. I just hurt my voice. Yay. Okay. Oh, by the way, I do a video every single day. So please go and watch them. Only if you really want to. I'm not forcing it. But anyways, if you like my videos, I do a video every single day. And see you next time on my next video. If the video's not done yet. Why do I say that? Only YouTubers only say that then. Listen, I'm sorry. I am ridiculous. No, I'm not safe. What happened? No. I'm stuck. Why are people cool? I was trapped here because of them. Yes. Okay. No. I'm a freak. I try to kill myself in this game every single day. I'm sorry. In this game, I'm not saying in real life. I will never do that. I appreciate my life and everybody in my life. I love my family. Come on. No! This happens to me every time. I'm not good at this stuff. I'm terrible at it. This girl has no pants. Where are your pants? Girl! Where's your pants? What the heck? You guys, do you see that? You see that? Where's her pants? Where's your pants? Look at that. What is that? She has no pants. He doesn't have pants, you guys. You guys, she doesn't have pants. What the heck? Oh my god. What? I'm freaked out. Where is this girl's pants? Is she broke? But then how'd she buy that fancy shirt? What the heck? Where's her pants? You even dress up with any pants? You're naked, girl. Whatever. It's insane though. Like, that is insane. Come on, guy. Come on, boy. You can do this. You can do this. I wish I could help. Okay, he did it. Oh no! The water's coming quick. Oh, he made it. Oh, the game has ended. I know that. Why did I just sound bratty? I'm not bratty. What the heck? Sorry guys, I didn't mean to sound bratty. Bratty, but sometimes. I'm not saying it's good to be bratty. No, somebody needs to get that. Excuse me. I don't want that. Did I go the wrong way right now? No, I didn't. Oh my god. I only won 5 times. Yeah, you can do this. Oh, and No Pant Girl was the last one to survive. There she is with her little no pants. Look at her. She has no pants, you guys. You guys, where the heck is her pants? Look at that. Where are her pants? Like, oh my god, girl, you need to get pants on. To play this game, do you know you need to not show everybody your butt? You know that? You know that. You can't just walk around being like, hey everybody, look at my booty, because it looks so nice. You can't do that. Girl, you are insane. Look at her climbing up there. Why does she have no pants? That's why I'm confused. I can't get over there. How am I supposed to get over there, you guys? Okay. It didn't let me jump. Oh my god, you guys. This is gonna probably be the longest game ever. There's her little Miss No Pants. Look at her. She has beautiful hair, a beautiful shirt, and no pants. Not nice. You just come in naked. Do you know that's not very nice? You know that? Like, I know when to get pants on. I get pants on. Oh my god, I made it without realizing. Oh my god, I made it without realizing. I didn't even realize, you guys. I didn't realize. Yeah. A girl could be if you ever dream of being a YouTuber, get some pants. I'm sorry, but like, you need pants if her dream is to be a YouTuber, like mine, and my dream came true because I have pants. I'm sorry, but it's unpolite to not wear flipping pants. Like, what the heck? She freaks me out. Why does she not have any pants? Okay, you guys, obviously go this way. Have a platform right above it. That does, but like, come on. Where do you go? You guys, this is really tricky. Where are you meant to go? Up here? Okay, I'm gonna try and get up here. Obviously that's never gonna happen. Oh my god, where are you supposed to go? I don't get it though. Where are you supposed to go? I don't think anybody survived that round. Yeah, no one survived. I don't get it, but still I don't. It's so easy. Just get some pants on, girl. You know how easy it is? Just slip some pants on. Girl, look at I just reviewed on her. See her Miss No Pants? See her? She doesn't have any pants. Look at that, she has no pants. Just so weird, she has no pants. Don't get it. I've been talking about no pants this whole video. I'm sorry. I'm so dearly sorry. I'm just talking about pants. I'm sorry. But I don't judge her. If you're making a video, you don't need pants. But I'm like talking about in real life, you need pants. But in the game, you definitely need pants. Like right now, I'm just comfy. I'm not big. She has no pants. Even I have. Everybody has pants in this game, except for her. Look at her. She's outside. Just chilling with no pants. Okay, I need to stop talking about the pants and actually talk about the video. I don't get what I'm saying. What am I saying? I'm being gross by talking about pants. Nobody wants to listen to our pants series. I'm sorry, guys. I'll stop talking about it. I'm so sorry. Please stay to the end of the video. I won't talk about this anymore. Alright, so anyways, I'm so excited. I really want to like them? I don't know. Listen, I just win. And they went 5 times. Nothing has changed from last time I said I only won 5 flipping times. And I said flipping, not the other word. But yeah. Oh my god, somebody better get here soon. Yes, please, you have a slinky. I'm sorry of what you just heard. I don't mean that, I swear I don't. I do not mean it. You guys, don't listen. Don't listen to me. What am I supposed to do? Sit around here and do nothing? How do I win? I knew that was gonna happen. Let's go here. Yeah. Okay, come on, more people, join. Oh, I'm sorry. I like this one. Guys, just join already. And if you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. Anyways, that's it for this video. And bye!